So Kim tells me you like to make coffee in the morning, so I'm going to show you how to use this thing. You have to start out like this. You just want to make sure that the water's full. If it's not full, you can just turn this on, press the top button, hold it over here, and let it go. Or you can hold it over there and turn it on. So you fill that up. Then you press the on button and it'll say fillline.com, blah blah blah, and press a F line because this is an F9, and then it'll say this machine is warming up or is heating, I guess. And once it's done heating, I'll show you what to do next. All right, it should be about ready now. You have to use the smaller cups. You can't use the big ones for this. Now it'll say press maintenance, and so you press the maintenance button once, and it will drain into that coffee cup. So you want to make sure that there's always a coffee cup under there, because when it turns off automatically, it does the same thing. So once that's done, you're ready to make coffee. And if all you want is black coffee, you go ahead and put that under there and press, make sure this is correct. So I typically go with strong 1 cup, but you can go with a lot more than that, and then press and it runs. Once this is done, I'll show you how to use the steamer if you want to use it, just in case you want steamed milk. I'm going to show you how to make a cup of coffee with steamed milk, or steamed half and half, whatever. So you get your cup out, throw a little half and half in there, and you press this button here, and then it'll heat up. And once that's done, I'll show you how to make the steamed coffee. Okay, we're back, and you notice that it's solid red now. So what I do is I take my drainage cup and I put it under there, and then I press this button. And once the steam starts coming, I stop it, and I put the coffee with the cream in it, and I press the button, and I lift it up, and I tilt it sideways. And I hold it just below the water line. And when you're done, you got enough steam. You go like that, and then you put this under here. Before you pull it off, you press the button. That gets all the coffee garbage out of it, and then run it under some water, rinse it out, and put it back. And that way you don't get milk starting to go bad there. Then go ahead and press the kind of coffee you want. I'm making this for Kim, so she likes it like that. And you're done.